जैसे हम लोग कोई टेक्सचर या कोई टेक्स्ट या कोई पोस्टर इसके ऊपर ऐड करना चाहते हैं, तो हम लोग को बाहर से लाके इधर एज ए मास्क या तो एज ए कलर
हाँ
ऐड करना पड़ेगा, राइट?
हाँ।
ओके।
और
Okay.
इस पे
Simple as Photoshop. The concept is the same like Photoshop.
यस यस,
हाँ,
3D
ये
फोटोशॉप।
लेयर लेयर बेस्ड है, पर
Layer
इसकी
based
जो
है, हाँ।
जेनरेट और 3D पूरा स्पेस पे वो काम करे। या इधर ऑप्शंस
हम्म,
है कि आप इसको नहीं, सिर्फ टाइल नहीं, आप इसको एज यूवी प्रोजेक्शंस नहीं, इसको चेंज करके ट्राइप्लानर भी कर सकते
तब हाँ।
तो फिर एज इश्यू नहीं आएगा कोई।
हैं। हाँ, कोई
हम्म।
एज इश्यू नहीं है। तो ये बेनिफिट्स है। और
और आई थिंक द प्रीसेट्स, देयर इज टू मच प्रीसेट, तो क्या वी कैन कंसंट्रेट ऑन द द विजुअल, ऑन द विजुअल,
हाँ हाँ, बस
ऑन द
आपको
आइडिया।
फॉलो, हम्म, हमको जैसे चाहिए वैसे कर सकते हैं। जैसे ये जो है ऐड, कुछ भी मैं ऐड करूं शायद, या ये इस पे एक स्मार्ट मटेरियल भी यूज कर सकते हैं। तो शायद एक सेकंड, एक नया मटेरियल लिया, ऐड ब्लश, ब्लश ब्लैक मास्क। फिर ये जो स्मार्ट मटेरियल है इसको मैं मास्क पे डालूंगा।
So the mask will behave like that, on
हाँ
like
हाँ
that pattern.
हाँ
तो जितने भी स्मार्ट मटेरियल है बेसिकली वो सब अपना ऑब्जेक्ट के कर्वेचर के ऊपर से
कर्वेचर
ऑटोमेटिक
के,
ले लेगा।
Okay, Bajaj.
हाँ हाँ। और
इसीलिए हम लोग
उसको,
पहले कर्वेचर मैप पे किए थे, राइट?
हाँ हाँ, और इस पे भी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ये है कि आप ये जो टेक्सचर वन टेक्सचर टू है ना, इसको एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, इसको एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं। ये ऑटो सेव, अल्फा चेंज कर सकते हैं, कोई भी स्टेंसिल बैठा सकते हैं, मैनुअल। वन सेकेंड, ब्लैक कलर एक ले लेता हूँ। हाँ, इसके स्केल कम है एक्चुअली। फिर इसकी स्पेसिंग, और ये तो ब्रश, अरे वन सेकेंड, हाँ अभी ये आया। तो लेवल एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ कॉन्ट्रास्ट क्या है नहीं है, एंड ग्रेडियंट, कर्वेचर। ओके, ये होने के बाद जैसे मैंने एक कुछ स्मार्ट मटेरियल डाला, फिर ये मेरा नहीं हो सकता कि नहीं, ये प्रोसीजरल बहुत ऑड लग रहा है, हर जगह आ जा रहा है। तो इस पे मैं क्या करूंगा, ऐड पेंट करूं, फिर ब्लैक पेंट करो आप, या व्हाइट रखो, कुछ जरिया स्पेसिफिक काम करो, कुछ अल्फा
वो जेनेरिक जो है उसको और भी थोड़ा स्पेसिफिक कर सकते हैं हम।
ब्रेक, हाँ हाँ,
थोड़ा ब्रेक कर
स्पेसिफिक,
सकते
हाँ
हैं। ओह नाइस।
हाँ। और इन्वर्ट करो तो ब्लैक पेंट करो तो इरेज हो जाएगा। बहुत सारे ब्रश है, और इनकी ब्रश के सेटिंग्स हो सकते हैं। तो ब्रश का अलग सेटिंग है, जैसे फोटोशॉप का सेटिंग्स है, इस पे भी ब्रश ब्रश सेटिंग, जैसे मैंने पहले ब्रश सेटिंग्स पे था। कोई भी एक ब्रश लेंगे तो ब्रश, उसके सेटिंग्स कर सकते हैं यहाँ। स्टिच बनाना है तो कुछ करके, ऐसे करके कर सकते हैं। और प्लस बहुत कुछ है। एक सेकेंड, एक्चुअली ये आइडिया करना है कि कैसे करें पार्टिकल्स, जैसे ऊपर से कुछ गिरा गिरा हो, कुछ हो तो। इसके ग्रेविटी, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, ग्रेविटी है, हार्नेस है, बेसिकली आपको ट्राई करना है और कैसे ट्रिक इजी करके कर सकेंगे वो भी है। शायद इसके ऊपर एक नया ले लूं लेयर, फिल है, अरे तो कोई एक एड पेंट करके ही, शायद मैं अगर व्हाइट पेंट करूँ तो आ जाएगा स्क्रीन। एड फील, एड जनरेटर, नया जनरेटर लेके कोई भी जनरेटर ले लो, एक चेंज कर सकते हैं कभी भी जनरेटर। कस्टम ग्रांस, मतलब बहुत ऑप्शन है इस पे, जस्ट ट्विक करना है। अरे 1 सेकंड, ओके। इसका ग्रेविटी पार्टिकल्स की चेंज करके ये ऊपर गया तो इसको आई थिंक वी हैव ऑप्शंस, ब्रश लाइफ, लाइफ जितना टाइम ज्यादा रहेगा उतना देर तक गिरेगा, कम रहेगा जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा।
या हम लोग ऐसा करके वो लीकेज भी बना सकते
लीकेज
हैं।
करते, हाँ हाँ
ऊपर ऊपर से अगर वाटर ड्रॉप गिरे तो ऑटोमेटिक इधर जाएगा, उधर ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ग्लोबल विंड वाई, एक्चुअली बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, इसको प्ले करो आप तो ये नीचे आ गया, जैसे वाई को मैंने चेंज कर दिया माइनस पे तो ये नीचे आ गया।
ओके ओके।
तो ये सारी चीजें हैं। और आप, हाँ, एक है कि इधर डिफॉल्ट कुछ नॉर्मल्स में भी है, कुछ नॉर्मल्स की टेक्सचर से, मतलब ऑलरेडी प्रोसीजर बहुत कुछ है, उस पर ब्रेक करने के लिए भी ऑप्शन है, जैसे फोटोशॉप से हम एज बाय एज चेंज करके कर सकते हैं वो। तो ऐसे स्मार्ट मास्क मटेरियल से कोई भी अचीवेबल, कैसे भी एक आप उसकी मतलब जैसे चाहिए वैसे पहुंच सकते हैं। जैसे मैं मानूं, अभी तो मैं ट्रेजर बॉक्स से थोड़ा भटक गया लेकिन मैं आता हूँ।
Yeah, I think Devgopal, this is very interesting. In
हाँ
detail time, we can do a lot of things.
हाँ हाँ, एक्चुअली ये बहुत टाइम सॉल्व कर देता है, हमको सेकेंडरीज मैप को लेके सोचना ही नहीं पड़ता है।
Yes, yes,
तो
yes. हम लोग जस्ट बेसिक मैप फोटोशॉप से लाके इधर आके
हाँ
कुछ भी रफनेस, कुछ भी नॉर्मल डिटेल, क्रैक डिटेल आराम से पेंट कर सकते हैं।
हाँ, तो हमको एक्चुअली ये वुड पार्ट है, इस पे कुछ स्क्रैचेस चाहिए, मतलब चिप ऑफ वो पार्ट चाहिए, तो कुछ भी नहीं, एक सिंपल फिल कलर दे देंगे, फिर और रियलिस्टिक बनाने के लिए बहुत अच्छे मेथड्स है, वो आपको धीरे धीरे ट्विक करके ही सीखना पड़ेगा। और कोई किसी को पता है तो वो इजीली आपको सर्व कर सके।
नहीं
पर
देवगोपाल, आई वांट टू मेंशन वन थिंग कि ये सब पता होना चाहिए, ऑफ कोर्स पता होना चाहिए जो इंडस्ट्री में आ रहा है। दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव स्टार्टेड दैट द स्पेशलाइजेशन कोर्सेज इन क्लिक
हाँ हाँ,
एकेडमी, which
यस
yeah, by the next
फिर
month we will start another batch of that, the specialization cards of couple of
And
departments.
for each and every software, I'll go from scratch to end level. How we'll get minute details and realistic things. So all this will be covered. But now, as of see, half an hour or 1 hour passed, but I'm not covered yet. Little bit of anything. So
That is okay.
that's
That is
why.
okay. Please continue.
Yes, yes. So as wood color inner wood. So if we select this as color, then add black mask. Oh, this is UDM 2. Okay. Okay. So this is UDM 1, and here we have wood. So wood पे color देने kind of. ओके, तो एक सिंपल सा कलर ले ले, फिर ब्लैक मास्क और सॉरी ब्रश या फिर प्रोजेक्शन पे भी बहुत कुछ है, कोई भी एक उठा के प्रोजेक्ट कर सकता हूँ। लाइक हाँ, तो ब्रश सेटिंग्स पे जाके
Thanks
कोई
for the
भी एक
beautiful song, but we don't want it. Just keep it muted, please, everyone.
अगर और शायद स्मैश या कुछ और भी रखूं।
Manjit, can you please turn off your mic?
हाँ, सॉरी टू लेट टाइम। एक सेकंड।
So Habib, in the meantime, let him adjust the parameter. So let's talk a little bit about the contest is going on. Is Habib there? I think he left or what? I don't know. Habib,
तो
he's in mute.
okay, no, this thing actually it's the settings little take time, so I just want to show that he okay, I'll just let me take a simple brush only, don't go here and then now. So like I just want some chip off or something like this. So ये अगर हाँ हाँ
नहीं, मैं ये पूछ रहा था, इस पे पेन प्रेशर भी काम करता है?
पेन प्रेशर, हाँ पेन प्रेशर काम करता है। और यही जो है ऐड किया ये वाला पार्ट, तो ये इनर पार्ट तो अंदर जाएगा, तो ऑब्वियसली इसके नॉर्मल हमको मिल सकता है डाउन पार्ट। और इस एरिया को इन्वर्ट करके इस एरिया मास्क आउट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो मास्क आउट हो जाए। और ये जो इनर पार्ट है, एक सेकेंड, इसको नॉर्मल पे हम चेक करेंगे अभी, तो नॉर्मल ऐसे आया जो एरिया मेरा वुड का है। ओके, अब इस पे भी हम फिल्टर्स यूज कर सकते हैं, जैसे ऐड फिल्टर, इस पे ब्लर यूज कर सकते हैं। थोड़ा इतना ये नहीं चाहिए, ब्लर चाहिए, शार्पन ऐड कर सकते हैं, इसको ओपेसिटी कम कर देंगे, कलर गायब। तो रफनेस मुझे कम चाहिए, रफर चाहिए, तो ये स्पेक ब्रेक हो गया। तो बेसिकली जो हमको चाहिए वो कर सकते हैं, जस्ट आप एक बार पैरामीटर सेट कर लो और फिर आप अल्फा पेंट करते जाओ।
नहीं, I think we have to decide two things. First step, what do you want? You have to think it very specifically. I want this, because there is so many tools where you can get diverted easily.
हाँ
ठीक है, तो फिर वो क्या होता है, कभी कभी वो ओवरडू हो जाता है, which is of course not good at all, right? I mean, for me, yeah, this thing very normal. If we have lot of good brushes, so I can paint, multiple time, that it create. I mean, it will be very complicated sometimes. It was very tough to handle sometimes, है ना? तो
you have to know all the options, then you have to know which way what you want exactly, then you have to decide that what I should use for that particular achievement, what I want to achieve. So that way you have to think. See, I reduce the height, so you can give little more height, and you can reduce on whatever software you are going to render it, so that way you also can do. पर ये exactly मिल जाता है उसका रफनेस। जैसे ये ब्रेक हो गया, तो वुड थोड़ा स्पेकी है, here is bit specky, then here is very less spec, no spec है।
So Devgopal, I have a question. Sorry, I'm just interrupting you. So agar just go to the close in that particular area where you added the included chart. Okay, there is a line, right? There is a line. This are going. So I don't want these two lines inside that
then you have to go here. Then you have to go here and add white mask. Okay. Now add paint, then paint black here.
Yes, exactly. So this is what I was also not I was also asking that you have to understand that what do you want.
Yes.
मुझे वहां पे नहीं चाहिए. Then this is the process. So this is how we can use it. So कुछ chat पे कुछ आया है. Let me check.
And here also
your voice is not clear. Oh, extremely sorry. Maybe I am just because of some network issue. Extremely sorry, but yeah. Dev, please continue.
Then overall we can make dirt and top of everything, treatments and all. I think I'm pretty much basic thing what about substance. I give you example. You can try this way and get nice output of it. So I'm going to now the third part of the object, copper.
So, Devgopal, we have a question. So, can we go
Yes,
for
yes,
in between? Okay.
yes,
So
sure.
the question is, what is the difference between TRI projection and the UV projection? Which place we can use these things? What would the condition for this? TRI projection and UV projection.
And there is UV tile, because see, tileable textures, they're all you are using as grunge or maps here are tileable. Okay, but something if it's not tileable, then the seam you can see seam area. Okay, this part or somehow any part of anything that seem visible. So that area you can manage by painting here or manually do. So what you will do there that time there, that you will import anything and make it into triplanar. So the difference between these two is like I'm putting on. So the difference mainly the seam area you can avoid, and in seam area also you don't have to manually adjust it. Okay, if it's not tileable texture then, but otherwise if it's tileable it will work every places. But if somewhere the texture is not being continued in some area, then you can apply the triplanar. Anyway, whatever you use, tileable or triplanar, you have scale options. You see, you have scale options to adjust. It's not that if you do triplanar, you can adjust the things you want. You can adjust there also.
Yeah, those edges without triplanar, those edges you can manually paint also, right?
Yes, yes, you can paint. So before the triplanar maybe was not there in Painter, but now it's included to make it more handy and quick uh, way. If you are getting huge set and some props are not very focus area and you wanna make, so don't spend on time that you can get much more good output through these smart materials and materials, and you can get the spec breakups as well, how I showed.
So Devgopal, this is the basic difference between the triplanar and the UV projection, right?
Yes, yes.
Tri projection and the UV projection. Okay,
Uh-huh.
nice. So this is what we are showing is very uh, very fast forwarding kind of a process, right?
Uh,
So we are not able to do everything completely today, but we are trying to cover it up as much as possible during the time.
yes.
But yeah, we have the specialization courses. That's why we have created the specialization courses, which will start. Which another batch will start by the next month of a couple
Yeah.
of the departments. So yes, and simultaneously, one thing I think I want to mention that we have a contest going on for a long time, which is called the Shades of Creation. So we have the animation contest, I think, in this month, and we may launch a couple of more contests in the coming month. So yeah, the whoever has is experience in this industry, who know how to work, and he can join in this uh, that contest, the Shades of Creation contest, and we will have exciting prize for the uh, for the what is it called? Who
For the
won
winner.
the for the winner? Yeah, I forgot the word. for
Yeah.
the
For the winner,
for the
they'll get some prize, and the main thing is they'll get industry experts review on their work. Every month, on every subject, there are two, three review, mainly to review one review per subject. So the WIP work they can submit and they can get it reviewed by the industry professional. There will be live review session on Facebook and our Google.
Directly by
Yes, yes,
like the
yes.
same process
So
what
you
we are
can
doing now.
on those review session you can join. You can ask the mentor any question. You can review. You can get your review done with those mentors, and they will tell you
Yes.
what to do, how to do, what are the things in the industry is going on right now, and how to improve your work more, how to, and all the other question also in those WP session you can ask. Then we'll have final session on every month end. Then we'll discuss the winners. So this month we are having animation contest going on. Then next month we'll be launching another 2 3 subject. So whoever is interested, they can join, and joining is completely free. There is no charges. Yeah, and you can join from anywhere in the India, and there is no.
In the world, in the earth.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay. In the
yes, yes, yes.
yes, Dabgopal, please.
Yes.
Yeah, you
So
better you
basic,
save the file, dude. Yes, yes. So this is the process we have to do every time to save a
yes,
file. This is a one of the very important process. Every time we forgot, I mean, whenever we are doing some work, we are very into it. So, yeah, I also made mistake couple of time in my career. So I didn't save my file. I was then something happens and then the software got hanged. So yeah, this is a very important process.
But nowadays softwares are more stable, or there is backup system. In our time,
Yes,
when we started,
couple
there
of
was no backup system.
yeah.
Sometimes we used
Everything
to
was
work a whole
very
day.
manual.
Sometimes we used to work a whole day and it's gone. Suddenly it's gone. Oh,
Yeah, the software crashed and it's gone.
yes, yes,
That's
yes.
all. Yeah,
So
there
fatal
is a
error
more.
nowadays we don't see fatal error much. In our time, we used to face that issue
Yeah, fatal error.
many
It was
times.
a, one of the famous word in our student life.
Yes,
Fatal
yes.
error. Yes, yes. Devgopal, please continue.
yes, yes. So I'll not take more time on texturing, but this was my previous file. I just made as a basic textures only, what I showed you. So
Can
top
you
of
please show us how to add one logo? Suppose this is one brand name or any product name is there on that
yes, yes,
wooden part. How you can add that logo?
yeah. So as I mentioned that you can import PNG and anything. So you can add textures and mask also you can take that same mask. So you can apply on a tile and then adjust. So if you done a projection, you can do projections. So many ways to do. So
No, suppose
here
suppose suppose we'll be taking one
logo.
company name, one leather company name from internet, and we'll put that on the side of that box. How can we do that?
Yes. So suppose you took this what do I say logo. Okay.
No, suppose we're taking it from internet or we're creating it in Photoshop.
Yeah, same only actually. The resources you have to import. Okay, one second. I'll search for it. Mm, Okay, anything?
So just directly go to
Net.
Google.
Okay, internet. Yeah, sure. I'm going there.
So Devgopal, this is Substance Painter. What are the other softwares you are covering in your specialization course?
Substance Painter, Designer, little bit
Designer.
of Substance Designer.
What is
So
the
there,
difference between this Substance Painter and Designer?
no, Designer that is additional, add one. Means some tiles and some kind of specific pattern we can't get from internet, and as well if it's not uh,
Okay, okay.
there in my library, we can collect the exactly perfect as we want. So
Okay, okay,
there we
okay.
can so there we can create tileable textures. I'll show you
And
here.
we can take that from that software to this software.
Yes. And this Substance Painter and Designer handy this way that you can export from Substance Designer as material, as the smart mask, smart
Okay, okay,
material.
okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
that is the process of creating smart,
Making these materials.
smart textures.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So
So
yeah, apart from Substance Painter and Substance Designer, what are the other software?
the Madi and Arnold and the Marmoset, these are
Okay,
the
okay.
uh,
So these are all software
little bit
especially
of
yes,
ZBrush. Yes, yes, yes,
yes, yes. Okay, little bit of ZBrush also.
yes, yes.
Okay,
So
okay.
how to extract the displacement normals and do manual work, how required for texturing artist, how much they just so there UDIM involved. So how will export the UDIM displacement, means number of kind of 50-60 UDIM
Okay, okay. Okay.
displacements. So there is some tricks that if you don't on those options, or then you can't get properly the displacement. So we have to adjust these things only. So those parts we face some issue on productions. So those things I'll cover on GBrush. And this is in expert classes as of now. But if in productions, if something new includes and excludes, the things will be improvised. But as class
Okay,
wise,
okay.
the time to time it
This
will
is
be updated.
okay, okay. All those subjects as per the current industry. So if any
uh,
software is introducing in recent time, we will include that also if that is
yes,
required in the production.
yes. And in
No,
expert classes,
that is the very simple thing, Avi. You know, a lot of institutions are not doing the same thing. They are still doing the mud box and what is it called?
Yes, yes. I think Mudbox
That
now no, none of the
new
companies is using
generation don't
Mudbox
know
actually.
about mud box.
Yes, yes,
So there is
yes.
a software called there was a software called Mudbox like that. So what we are
Madhu.
doing, I
And
think if for the my department tomorrow the Photoshop will close down, and I have to know the another new software, like as a father software, that we have to switch it, right. Not only me,
Yes,
the
yes.
whole coming generation should switch. So we are also planning our courses accordingly,
yes, yes.
for not.
And as usual, means as I gaming styles also, means in one secondary map you can get three secondary maps. So merge those, how will apply in software, render it out, all those things and will be there in expert classes. Hello,
Yes, 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 yes.
I think Sandeepan was telling something.
No, dude, I'm
Is
just
that
listening.
hello?
Yes, yes, Devgopal, you continue. We can
Yeah. Okay, okay. So
No, that just I was just saying that the same process we are using for all the departments. But the expert
yes,
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 classes
yes.
we
We
have for
are
animation,
yes, yes.
for lighting, modeling, shading and surfacing, and the digital designing,
Yes,
all the
yes. For
departments
modeling
we have.
advanced class, we are
Compositing, sorry, VFX.
yes, yes. For modeling advanced class, we are covering ZBrush along with Maya and other 3D software. And for texturing, already Deep Global said. For lighting, we are covering most of the current use render engine like Redshift, Arnold, V-Ray, whatever industry is using right now. And for animation, also the current software, whatever the softwares are going on in the industry right now, we'll be teaching that only. If any software is not required in the industry, we will not gonna teach you. That is
yes,
not required actually. Whatever we are gonna teach, you'll be working on those software only if you join the production.
yes, and it will helpful in future. Very will be helpful, and the
Yes,
sense of creating the assets, the ideas, and how we'll do from scratch. This is the main important thing, I think, because all the softwares as of now we are teaching maybe can changed after, but the thing you wanna be you need it for as a surfacing artist, what the qualities you should bring. So those will provide you as much as we can. So
Yes, yes, yes. And apart from suppose you are joining one particular department, advanced course, suppose texturing, it's not like that we're going to teach you only the texturing, we're going to teach you some part of modeling also. We're going to give you the idea how the model, how the file comes from modeling to texturing, then texturing to rigging, texturing to animation, texturing to lighting. We're going to give all the details about this pipeline also so that you can migrate your file to one department from other department as well. How the basically how the company works. Basically,
yes,
from
No,
the rigger will take your
this
file,
is
the modeler will will take your file. So we're gonna show you the process, the full company pipeline process also. It's not about only one department. You'll be learning the main work about one department, but you'll be gaining the idea of all the other department, how the other department works in the industry
uh,
as well.
we'll introduce you to
how to
relative
how to how
departments.
to use how, how to use your asset.
Yes,
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 You know, what is the usability of your asset, and the simultaneously it's not like there is not a single process to do a job, right? There is multiple process, but what is the easiest one? As
yes,
a student we can learn only the tools. So we know that now I am seeing this thing. I was thinking that this is not the process, dude. We know that was like very complicated, and this is pretty simplest one, right?
mm,
So we are going to teach at the same way which the production will follow. Production
yes.
is following nowadays, which can reduce the time of an artist and the production value as well. Please continue, the Gopal.
One more thing also, and in this point, I just want to add कि people अगर किसी को वे पता नहीं है मेथड प्रोडक्शंस की, so anyway, any one way he can do and achieve these things, but it may not works in production.
yes,
So maybe the quality wise, it will they will give you so bad.
99% of this thing happens.
हाँ.
Yeah,
So anyway,
99% time when the student comes with the idea, and that will not acceptable in the what is that called, in the production. I mean, because he comes with all the particular tools only. He don't know the
yes,
tricks. The
yes,
tricks are
and
mandatory in our.
yes.
yes,
Devgopal,
yes,
please continue that logo thing.
yeah.
Please continue with the
Yes,
the class, please. Yeah.
yes, it's the logo thing.